guys, welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm going to do is show you how to put the SuperPro bushings into the lower front control arms for the 93 RX7 FD. I have already done it on one of my other ones that I'm actually drying right now because I just coated it, but I wanted to go ahead and show you on this one because I did not do it on this one right away. So first what you have to do is get the arm out. Real quick, I'm just going to go through how I did this. You got to pull the arm out. You have to prep to get the OEM bushings pressed out. Very simple. A ball joint separator, the attachments that it comes with, WD-40, and one or two small or large sockets, and you can push these things out pretty easily. There is a metal sleeve that comes from factory in these FD arms. It's just for this rear side near the tranny side, and it compresses one of the bushings. I'm assuming when they install it. That is a pain to get out. You'll see it's almost like a collar or like a mini sleeve inside of the arm. You have to cut the metal sleeve somehow or pry it up to make it loose and then tap it out of the arm. The first one came out very easily when I pried it up. The second one took me almost an hour to get up because it was just getting stuck, and you can see a little bit of my pry marks inside to get it. It's not going to affect anything. It's still good. And that's the major stuff. Then you don't have to do anything else with the ball joint separator on the rear. All you have to do is press them in by hand. So let me make sure I have the right sides, and I will bring you guys back for the video, me putting them in. So I'm all set up now. I had to go back and look at my notes to make sure that I had the rear tranny side correct. So the sizing is different for both sides, I believe. I haven't measured them, but so this is the bushings for this slot right here. I need to re-lube them with the supplied stuff that SuperPro sends you. Make sure you know they got some good stuff on them. And they tell you to be very generous with the amount of grease that you that you put on these bushings, that you put on the crush bolt, all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lube this up. Okay, so here's the first side. As you can see, boom, done. It's in, it's set up, and I'm just gonna lock this side. So now this side, guys. Alright, now it's pressed in. Once I take off my gloves, I'll move the camera so you can see. Let me do the washer. Alright, and that's it. That's all there is to it, guys. Got a nice pressed in bushing. My glove real quick. Gotta press on this side a little more. But that's how you install the rear. It's exactly the same for this side. You just lube it up and you push them in by hand. That's it. That's all there is to it. Alright, that's it guys. That is how you press in the lower bushings for an RX7 FD SuperPro. I do have to push the collar this way a little bit on both sides. That's super easy. And then I can put them in the car. Alright, thanks for watching guys.